Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $450? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $450 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 Say 3D Printer. Leveling is the basis of print quality. Ender 3v3 Say features a CR touch sensor for auto leveling and a strain sensor for auto Z offset. Just lay back and enjoy the print success. Ender 3v3 Say features a max printing speed of 250 mm per second and 2500 mm/s² acceleration, which can print faster while keeping the print quality. The Sprite Direct Extruder of Ender 3v3 Say works well with PLA, PETC, and flexible TPU, unlocking your creative potential. And the extruder is market proven for its reliability, as over 500,000 units have been shipped worldwide. The rigid dual Z-axis reduces Z wobbling. The Y-axis used a pair of 8mm thick linear shafts made of strong and wear-proof steel, able to carry the build platform steadily for a lasting time. Together, they will take good care of each print. Made of strong and wear-proof steel, the linear shafts ensure a lasting, steady motion of the Y-axis. Tap extrude, and the filament will flow out of the nozzle smoothly. Tap retract, and the filament will exit quickly. So, it is effortless to replace the filament. The UI adopts motion graphics to display the leveling progress and other parameters. You can get how the printers is doing at a single glance. Number 2. Trunxy Gemini S 3D Printer. Integrated structure assembled in 2 steps. The whole machine is composed of 2 parts: the upper frame and bottom base, which saves the cumbersome assembly process. High-performance silent motherboard. The ultra-quiet motherboard is equipped with an ARM high-performance processing chip and a TMC ultra-quiet driver, which makes printing processes quieter, more accurate, and more stable. Intelligent memory. Power failure. Resume printing. Intelligent printing, automatically remember the printing progress, and restart the machine to resume printing in breakpoint after power off. Warning of broken filament detection. Gemini S is equipped with a high-sensitivity material broken detector. Once a material broken occurs, it will automatically stop printing and emit a warning sound. Equipped with Titan extruder compatible with various consumables. Gemini S uses Titan extruder. Suitable for all kinds of filaments, such as PLA, ABS, PETC, wood, TPU. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 3D Printer. The Ender 3v3 3D Printer features a whole new user interface, making printing easier and more intuitive. Say goodbye to calibration and leveling hassles, as this printer eliminates the need for manual adjustments. Connect and control your prints remotely through the Creality Print software on your PC or the Creality Cloud app on your phone. Equipped with a high-speed X-axis precision rail, the Ender 3v3 effortlessly handles rapid movements. The low friction coefficient of 0.04 ensures smooth motion, while the high-strength steel construction provides durability and excellent load-bearing capacity. With a maximum print speed of 500 mm per second and an acceleration of 8000 mm per second, it delivers fast and efficient prints. Experience high temperature and high speed printing with the upgraded hot end. The 60 watts surround ceramic heating element ensures thorough filament melting. The copper alloy throat tube and nozzle support printing at temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. The dual-side air cooling system with 4010 model cooling fans improves print quality by enabling rapid and even solidification. Experience convenience at your fingertips with the innovative global navigation button and the 4.3-inch color touch screen. Enjoy real-time model previews and dynamic display of print parameters for a more intuitive printing experience. Intelligent algorithms optimize print quality by compensating for machine resonance and improving material flow, ensuring smooth and precise results. Enjoy hassle-free assembly and setup with the Ender 3v3, with just 3 simple steps and automatic bed leveling. You'll be up and running in no time. Despite its compact size and lightweight construction, this printer offers a wide range of features and functions, giving you ample room to unleash your creativity.